We are looking at how to pronounce this word, the name of this cereal. Even though we'll see in just a second that it's not exactly a cereal, we're going to be looking at how to pronounce more interesting cereal names as well that many mispronounce and that you do want to pronounce correctly for yourself, right? So how do you pronounce this one first? Make sure to stay tuned for more interesting names. Quinoa. Quinoa. You do want to stress on the first syllable here. Quinoa. So you have to know that quinoa is not scientifically a cereal, but a pseudo-cereal, meaning it doesn't grow from a grass or a true grain cereal plant. Pseudo-cereal. Quinoa is. Many mispronounce this one as well. In British English it is to be said as Bulgur, Bulgur, or in American English, Bulgur, Bulgur, or Bulgur. Pretty simple this one, once you know Couscous, Couscous. The word is French, I believe, hence OU being pronounced OU simply in French, Couscous, Couscous. Many mispronounce this one as well. Now you want, after hearing this, millet, millet. In British English, some do pronounce it as millet, millet, or millet. How many people do not know how to pronounce this one? They are delicious seeds, to be said chia, not kia, but chia seeds. Chia, you want to insist on the first syllable, chia seeds. Easy once you know. Farro, another cereal, Farro, Farro. Sorghum, sorghum, pretty straightforward. Sorghum, another delicious cereal. Look it up, it's delicious. Sorghum. Buckwheat, buckwheat. Easy that one. Buckwheat. Proso Millet, Proso Millet, another type of cereal, delicious also. Proso Millet. Barley, I'm sure you've heard about this one. It's not barley, but rather barley, barley. And now you know it all. If you're interested in learning more about how to pronounce many food names that so many people get wrong, here are more videos for you. You found the right channel. Let me know in the comments if this was useful. I'll see you there with those videos, and I'll see you on the channel shortly. Thanks for watching.